Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and if you can see this case, you know what that means. New release of sparkle blends. So these are all my sparkle blends of 2020, and I have some more on the way. So I'm going to pull out the newest ones first, so let me get this out of the way here. Scoot her over. So as you can see, well maybe you can't yet, but this is a very fun wintry mix. But you don't have to just use them for winters. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in quite a bit so you can see these blends. So I hoard my blends, and I shouldn't, but they're so pretty. The best thing about, excuse me, sparkle blends is it's custom. It's not something you can find on every website. So when you get a mix, you're actually getting a custom blended mix. So let's start with, we'll start with this one. This is called Eggnog with Nutmeg. I'm going to pour it here into my bowl and bring it up to you guys. So as you can see, there are a lot of matte whites. You have some browns, you have some holographic ones. This would be great for, well, just about anything really. I mean, it's a nice neutral mix. You got a little bit of metallic in there. You guys can see that. So it shifts a little bit. But yeah, this is weddings, winter weddings, winter birthdays, because it's not necessarily, you know, a Christmas mix. So yeah, this is eggnog and nutmeg. So our next mix is mulled wine. Yeah, mulled wine. And this is a nice, rich, winey blend. But you get a lot of variety with this blend. I mean, you get some that are just little flowers. You have some that look like, I love these ones because they remind me of space. But you can see it almost looks like an oil slick. You get some squares. You have the super glittery ones. So you get all different types of sizes. You get small, you know, you got your medium ones. It's just, you got some, they're satin, they're not matte. So they're satin golds. So you can use these for anything. Your wine tags, your, you know, more fall harvesty cards. Or you can even use them for Christmas. You don't have to, you know, have a theme when you are using your blends. You could very easily pull any one of these out and have a, oops, sorry for shaking the camera. You could have, you know, just whatever mix that you want. So our next one is Blue Blizzard, and this is one of my favorites. You have all these, you have these clay snowflakes. You just have a, I don't know, I love snowflakes. I don't like them when they, you know, during the winter time because, you know, I live in Ohio, so it's a hit and miss. You have these like little pearls, if I can grab a hold of it. Where are they at? There they are. I don't know if you guys can, there we go. You have, you know, some of those mixed in there. You have your sequins. You have these snowflakes. I mean, ugh. You have blue snowflakes, white snowflakes, the, oops, I'm throwing them around. You have these snowflakes, which are a little bit more satin, I think, but you get a good variety in here. So you can use these for, just about anything, but I probably will stick to like the snowflake theme with these ones just because of the color. And I did order backups of this because I have a feeling these are going to sell out really fast. So that was Blue Blizzard. Now this next one is my son's favorite. It's Pastel Penguin, and he loves penguins. So you get, this is a really fun mix because you get a little bit of everything in this one. So you have your little penguins here. You have those shards, which I love to add to my cards. You have the, you know, the full glitter sequins. You have the satin ones. So you have a lot of like pastel colors in this one, which again, you can pull these out and you don't have to use them for, you know, you can make your own blend with this. And this one again too has those little jewels. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it has a really nice pastel mix to it. And these little penguins crack me up. I love them. Like I did a card, which I will show you here. And I wish I would have had these for this card because it would have went perfect. So it's a slimline card and it's a shaker. So there's a little sneak peek of a video coming up. But yeah, this blend would have went perfectly with that. So this one is, look at that. Oh my gosh. So pretty. That's what I'm saying though. Like if you are if you're looking for embellishments, like this sparkle blends are my hands down favorite. Like I literally have not used anything else since I have been purchasing sparkle blends, which says a lot because I was, you know, I was buying all kinds of different embellishments before I found sparkle blends. And you know, if you're not a part of the Facebook group, there's all kinds of inspiration there. There's lives every Thursday. So you get a ton of inspiration and everybody is super nice. So that one was Pastel Penguin. And then we have With a Bang. So this would be a good like New Year's card. Or really anything because there's a lot of purples, a lot of blacks. No, not a lot. You get these polka dotted charts, which are awesome. I've never seen those before. You get these huge stars, which, you know, are fantastic. You have the little stars. You have the patterned sequins. Look how cool that is. So this is a really nice, I would say New Year's-ish, but I mean, I use them as I, you know, create my cards. Here's another polka dot sequin. So here's another one of my favorites. Oh, look how pretty this is. Look at that. So pretty. So you have some deeper purples in here. You have blacks. You know, you got your silvers, your iridescent polka dots. So this is a super fun mix. Like here's one right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that real well. But look at that. Where else are you going to find custom mixes with for your embellishments that you can't find anywhere else? This one's more like an oil slick, if it'll focus. So yeah, this one is With a Bang. So our next one is Lights in the Forest, and this is one of my other favorites. There we go. Because of the colors. They're so, I don't know, it just reminds me of a night sky. So you have these polka dot ones. You have these, I don't know what these ones are called, but there's the swirly, I call them the swirly ones. You have some matte grays. You have some iridescent. Let me see if I can find it or grab it with my fingers. No? Yep. Oh my gosh. There we go. So it is like a blue iridescent. It's so pretty. You have greens in here. The satin silvers. I mean, it's such, this is probably one of my favorite blends. Besides the Blue Lizard. Who am I kidding? They're all my favorite blends. But look at that variety that you get in here. So it looks like you have some purples. And that might even be that translucent blue. You get, you know, the golds, the greens, the navies, the polka dots. Just a little bit of everything. So this is definitely one of my favorites. Not that they're not all my favorites, but... Hello, kitty. Small kitten intermission. And then this one's called Lights in the Forest. Oh my gosh. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was our newest little kitten, Funyun. So, and he's a little lovey-dovey one. So for the last one in the bundle, it's going to be Hello Frosty. And this one is super cute because There's these little, oh my gosh, I'm throwing them. There are these big snowmen, and then you have these clay hearts, stars, and then you have the little baby snowman. And I'm gonna have to set this down so I can get this to focus. Look at that guy. Look how teeny tiny he is compared to this big one. We'll scoot him down just a little bit. Look at that. How stinking cute. So yes, this is Hello Frosty, and you know, it's got those blue, it's got such a nice mix. You got these awesome purple snowflakes. You have these ones here that are, it just looks like an oil slick, but it's clear. It's translucent. I shouldn't say clear. You have some pinks. You have pink stars, pink hearts, blue stars, white and blue snowflakes. You get these little balls in here that are, you know, the same color as the mix. So, so many possibilities. You have the little square ones. You have the little teeny tiny stars. You have these super cute glitter sequins. So this is such a fun mix. The kids are going to love these. And there's also this guy here. You can see he's got some dimension to him. How awesome is that? So this was the last one in the bundle. So there were 7 in the bundle. Oh, and that's why I pause. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so there were 7 in the bundle, but she did something different. This is called the Fan Mix 2020. Well, that's what I popped it as thing as. So we got to help her mix our own custom blend. How fun is that? So we added all these things, and then Amber added the little clouds. So you have all these little clouds, you have the spirals, you have the mattes, you have the super sparkly stars, you have some blues, greens, I mean, just all kinds of fun little items in here. You have the ones that are patterned, and then you have some that are translucent. I mean, it's such a fun mix. Like, you could use this mix for anything. So you'll get this free with your order. Let's see if I can do this again without spilling them all over the place. And then my little freebie, these little stars like to stick. Sorry guys, just a second. There we go. So my freebie was, it's called Ice Chips Blend. So we have these. Look how pretty. I can't even get over these. They're just so sparkly, so pretty. I feel like I'm going to hoard these. And they're all different sizes, so it's not the same size. So, my cat's back. So yeah, you always, I mean, so there's the bundle. Sir. Get down. There's the bundle, which has 7 blends in it. And this is a November release bundle. There's not going to be a release for December. But get them while you can, because I have a feeling this one is for sure going to sell out super fast. I will leave a code down in my description box. It's a discount code. But yeah, check out Sparkle Blends. I mean, it's such a fantastic mix. So until next time, guys, bye.